Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to insert a SIM card in Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to take the SIM tool, that like SIM ejector, that you find it in the box with your phone. And of course, you should have your phone. So after that, you take your phone from the left side, not from the right side. And as you can see, there is here a small like hole. You put that SIM ejector tool inside it and you need to push a little bit like that. And as you can see, the dual SIM tray is out. You have just to take it out like this, and you can put your card SIM. You have two places of card SIMs, of nano card SIMs. So you put your like SIM card or double SIM card in this place, like this one or this one. And after that, you put that dual SIM tray inside your phone again, and you make a little push and close your phone again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.